Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you all how I'll be transforming my old protective style into something very wearable and cute. So if you've been interested in knowing everything about that process, then you definitely want to keep watching.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Fumibi here again with another hairstyling video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something I've not done here on my channel. I'm just in the spirit of giving you guys spices, right? Different things here and there on this channel. I'm going to be doing something different. So let me give you guys the backstory to this particular video, right? I've had my hair like this for like 3 weeks now, guys. I've been super duper busy. I don't know if I told you guys before, but I've been going to school and school has been boxing my ass right here. I've been so busy with schoolwork that I've not been able to really take time to style my hair. And yeah, I've been wearing wigs a lot, and this is what has been under my wig. But in today's video, I just want to show you guys a way in which you can kind of rejuvenate your protective style, right? You don't have to like feel the need to wash your hair, right? If you're not ready to wash your hair, even if your hair looks like this. I don't know if you guys understand me. There are sometimes when you're just so busy and you can't even be bothered to wash your hair, or it's just not time to wash your hair, but your protective style looks like a mess. So this video right here is going to be giving you some ideas on some hairstyles that you can rock while, while taking the time, right, to rock your hair. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying, but in today's video, I'm going to be transforming my hair from what it looks like right now into something very wearable and, presentable and nice and just cute, right? So that's what this video is going to be about. So if you'd be interested in seeing me transform my hair from what it looks like right now into this other yum hairstyle right here, these hairstyles that I'm giving you, I'll do 3 or 4 hairstyles, right? I'll see, or 2, depending on how the spirit is ministering to me in this video. So yeah, in case you're watching this video right now and you're not subscribed to my channel, you love it on here. I'm sure you've watched like a couple of videos on my channel, and even if you've not watched a couple of videos on my channel, you're watching this one right now. So just join the family, okay? I want you to be a part of this our thriving family. So please go ahead to smash the subscribe button, and yeah, let me just stop talking and just vamos right into today's video.
Okay guys, it's time to get started. What I'm doing now is I'm unraveling my African threading hairstyle. I carried this hairstyle for 3 weeks. I already showed you guys in one of my previous videos how I made this hairstyle. So this is me 3 weeks later taking down this hairstyle just to refresh it in different styles, just to give me a different look so my hair doesn't just stay permanently underneath a wig. And guys, yeah, let's just take a moment to appreciate my inches.
Hello. You can't talk to me anyhow, okay? You can't talk to me anyhow, guys. Look at how this is what we have here. It's not getting to my chin. It's getting to my chin, guys. Check it out. Protective styling, guys. When I tell you protective styling, this ish right here is the secret to your hair growth right there. Not every time gluing down your edges, okay? I'm not saying, wearing your frontals and all that is a bad thing. Like, absolutely not. It looks absolutely stunning when you rock those types of hairstyle, right? But my point here is try and find the balance, right? Try and find a balance such that you are not damaging your hair in the process of slaying, right? You can slay and still be making your hair grow, right? Like you can those two things, right? Growing your hair and slaying can work hand in hand without anybody or any factor now hindering the other. I don't know if you guys understand, but yeah, I just came on here to just tell you that, you see, this right here is the work of protective styling right there. So yeah, let me go back now from after that my after that my brief TED talk. Let me just go back to the focus of this video basically. So yeah, let's.
Alright guys, so the first step for me is I'm going to start by moisturizing my hair, and I'm going to be using my dark and lovely leave-in conditioner. This is not my favorite leave-in conditioner, but I'm using it anyway because I know I'm going to wash my hair real soon, hopefully the following week after carrying my hair like this for a while. So yeah, that's why I'm using this particular hair conditioner or my leave-in conditioner, depending on what you choose to call it. And I'm just going to go ahead to comb through my hair just to fluff it out a bit. I'm not going to comb too much because I don't want to cut my hair in the process. What I'm doing now is I'm patting my hair in a center part and I'm just combing to the side as well. The style I want to do is something simple with a center part. You guys will see how I'm going to achieve that hairstyle. What I have here is my bobby pins just to pin my hair down like so. This hairstyle is what I call the low puff, okay? That's the name I'm giving this hairstyle, the low sexy puff. It's not your typical puff, but yeah, it's a low puff kind of situation that is going on right here. Once I'm done pinning it, I'm just going to go ahead to use my other pins, right, just to pin as well. But what I'm doing first of all is I'm going to apply some gel just to slick down my edges because my edges are looking kind of, just flying everywhere basically. So I want it to just stay down. I'm not using too much gel. I'm also going to be using this my pin right here. This is my beaded pin. I saw it in my Beauty Supply store the other day and I got it just because I thought it was cute. And yeah, this is what we have here. I went ahead to use a hair packer, right, just to pack the hair down because pinning my hair down wasn't working because of the fullness of my hair. If you have hair that isn't this full, you'll be able to achieve this hairstyle without the hair packer. And yeah, this is what the hairstyle looks like. Hope you guys like it. You guys should leave a comment about this hairstyle. All right, moving on to the next hairstyle. This is the double puff hairstyle. You can rock your hair in just a very simple double puff, and just like the name goes, double puff, you're just packing your hair in two puffs, two shukus. If you're a Nigerian, you guys know what I'm talking about, okay? Two shukus and you're good to go. Just pack your hair in two and then you can go ahead to accessorize with your hairpin just like I'm doing right now. You can use any other item you have, but because this is what I have, I'm going to be using this just to accessorize my hair and I look like a cute baby girl. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts about this hairstyle down in the comment section, okay? All right then, so now we are moving to the third hairstyle that you can rock with your natural hair before your wash day, and it's called the pineapple. And just like the name goes, the pineapple, you're just packing your hair in one big pineapple. You know what, how your pineapple looks? Yeah, that's how your head is going to looking when you pack your hair in a pineapple. You guys should just ignore my silliness, but I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. And it's very simple. Just pack your hair up in a very full puff. And yeah, this is what my pineapple looks like. I'm still going to go ahead to pack it neatly. You can pack it in a very unkept way. It looks really cute as well that way. But because I'm just extra, right, I'm going to go ahead to just pack it really, really well and make it look very, very sleek. I'm also going to go ahead to gel down my edges a little bit just to make it look very neat. But yeah, this is what my pineapple looks like. Very full, very cute, if I do say so myself. I'm going to go ahead to use this my Eco Styler gel. This right here is my favorite gel. I know some people don't like it, but it does the job for me. So yeah, I like to use it, and I'm just going to use that to just slick down my edges, and voila, we're done with our pineapple. This is the third hairstyle you can rock before your wash day. Well, looking cute, right? All right, on to the next hairstyle, and this hairstyle I chose to call it Let It Go. The name of this hairstyle is Let It Go, and just as the name goes, you are just going to let your hair go. Free the hair, no item put in the hair, just comb your hair with a pick comb just to fluff it out and make it look full. This right here is my Let It Go hairstyle, okay? And yeah, I'm just going to use my pick comb just to fluff out the hair a little bit and make it look cute. And this is what we have here. My afro is just flying everywhere like so. All right, guys, this is the final hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give the video a thumbs up, okay? And let me know if you want to see more stuff like this.
Okay guys, so this is it for this video. I think this is my favorite one. This is my favorite hairstyle so far because I don't have to pull on my edges. My hair is just, flying around everywhere. If you guys like videos like this, videos where I just share styles for you to just, ways for you to style your natural hair, leave a comments down below so I can do stuff like this more often. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said earlier, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button down below and tap that small bell notification right beside the subscribe button. That bell is supposed to help you know every single time I drop a new video. And I mean, Christmas is coming, so you guys should be expecting a lot of videos from me, so you don't want to miss out of any of those videos, right? So make sure that you tap that bell notification right beside the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to give the video a big fat thumbs up. That thumbs up is very, very important. You guys know it motivates me to put out more awesome content for you guys, so please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Okay, I can't wait to see you guys in another video. Before you go, make sure you watch something else. Don't just leave the channel, okay? Those videos are there for you to watch, so make sure you go ahead to watch something else. I'm going to link a most recent upload right here for you and a playlist right here, so make sure you go ahead and check out those videos while we await my next video. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Bye.